In this video, I'm going to walk you through the custom-built proven process, which is our way to bring your project all the way from concept to completion. Hi, I'm Isabel, Marketing Manager here at Custom Built Design and Remodeling. Our design-build proven process allows us to manage your entire project from start to finish, and most importantly, to end on time and on budget. To help you understand our process, we've created a roadmap that is a visual representation of what we do from start to finish. The roadmap is broken up into 3 main phases. The first is the dream phase, the next is our design phase, and the last main phase is our build phase. Let's begin with the dream phase. I'm going to give you a brief overview of what each step of the process looks like. The first one is our discovery call. This is typically a 15 to 20 minute conversation between you and your project development advisor. The advisor is the person that's going to be walking with you through the entire project from concept to completion. They're your trusted guide, the one who will have all of the answers to your questions, and if they don't, they will find it for you. The second step is our in-home consultation. We'll actually come out to your home, get measurements and pictures of your existing space so that we can take that information back and estimate it and give you a budget range for your project. Which leads me to the third step, our project proposal. We'll invite you back to our office, sit down at the table, and have a conversation about your project, the scope of work that it will take to complete your project, and finally, the estimated budget range that we would provide for you. Once your project development agreement is signed, we'll go ahead and collect 10% of the median of your budget range and move forward. Our design phase typically has 4 meetings: our kickoff, design vision, selection showcase, and agreement signing meetings. Our kickoff will be held at your home. Our team, including your project development advisor and our design team, will come out to your space and get all the details that we need for your project. You'll also spend some time talking with our lead designer so she can understand your vision and what you're looking for in this remodel to make sure that we capture that as we're putting together your design. The second meeting is our design vision. We'll invite you back to our showroom and go over the layout of your space. The third meeting is your selection showcase, and this is where we're going to dive into all of your material selections. We're going to choose the faucet, the paint colors, all the fixtures, the flooring, every material involved in your project, so we have that clearly defined before construction begins to make sure there's no ambiguity. By the end of these 2 meetings, our goal is to have your construction plans laid out internally so that we can bring our trade partners out to estimate your project and to finalize your fixed price agreement with us. Our final meeting in the design phase is the agreement signing. Again, we'll meet back at the showroom and we're going to go over all of the details of your project. This includes the construction drawings, the scope of work, our site plan, and anything else that really defines your project. Once your fixed price agreement is signed, we'll go ahead and collect typically about 50% of your total project cost so we can move forward into the construction phase. The final phase, and typically the most anticipated step in your remodeling journey, is our build phase. To kick off our build phase, we'll start with a pre-construction meeting. This is a time for our key construction players to meet you at your home and go over all of our construction plans, the drawings, the details of your project, and our site plan to make sure that you are set up for success. The construction process is where our team shines. We take everything that we've defined so far and we implement it and we make your remodel happen. Our construction team takes a lot of pride in quality workmanship that we provide and managing your project. It's really an amazing process to watch your space go from what it looks like currently to what you've been dreaming about and what we've created through 3D renderings. So I want to point out that we have a production walkthrough because this is a time for us to collect any final cleanup items and punch list items that come from your project. Typically, there's a few items that we need to address once construction is complete, so this is your time to really mention that and give feedback to our team. And our final walkthrough is the last step. Your project development advisor will see the entire space with you, collect any feedback, and then go ahead and get that final deposit on your project. Hopefully I've been able to answer most of your questions when it comes to our proven process here at Custom Built. But if you're still curious to learn more, go ahead and check out our Learning Center. There are articles, videos, and guides to help you through your entire remodeling journey. I'm Isabel with Custom Built. Thanks for watching.